Hey everyone, welcome back to the Miss Teena English podcast. I'm Teena.
And I'm Jimin. Thank you so much for joining us today.
We hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are.
Maybe you're studying English,
Traveling to work,
drinking a cup of coffee,
cleaning your room,
or simply relaxing after a busy day.
whatever you're doing.
We're really happy you're spending a little time with us today.
Jimin, today's topic is very special
Really? Why do you say that?
because we're talking about something that connects all of our listeners.
Let me guess.
Go ahead.
Is it food?
No.
Travel?
Nope.
Movies?
Not today.
Then I give up.
Today, we're talking about learning English.
Oh, that's a great topic.
Almost everyone listening to this podcast is learning English.
Some people have just started.
Some have been learning for years.
And some people,
Have been saying, I'll start tomorrow for the last 3 years.
I think we all know someone like that.
Maybe it's us sometimes.
Maybe.
Jimin, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Have you ever felt nervous speaking English?
Oh, yes. Many times.
Really?
Absolutely. I still remember my first English conversation.
What happened?
I practiced for hours. I memorized every sentence. Everything was perfect.
Sounds great.
Until someone asked me a question I didn't practice.
Oh no.
My mind became completely blank.
What did you do?
I smiled, nodded, and said, yes.
Even though you didn't understand?
Exactly. Later, I realized the person had asked, would you like some spicy food?
And you said yes?
Yes.
Do you like spicy food?
Not at all.
That's hilarious.
I spent the next 20 minutes drinking water.
That's actually a funny memory.
At that time, I felt embarrassed. But today, I laugh about it.
That's because mistakes become funny stories later.
Exactly.
And that's something every English learner should remember.
Making mistakes isn't failure.
It's part of learning.
Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner.
Jimin, why do you think so many people want to learn English?
That's an interesting question. I think everyone has a different reason.
Such as?
Some people want better jobs.
That's true.
Others want to study abroad.
Yes.
Some people simply enjoy learning languages.
And many people want to travel more confidently.
Exactly.
Exactly. Imagine visiting another country. You need to ask for directions, order food, check into a hotel, talk to local people. English helps with all of those situations.
That's one of the reasons I love learning languages.
Why?
Because language connects people.
I completely agree.
Even if your English isn't perfect, people usually appreciate your effort.
That's true. Most people don't expect perfect English. They simply want to communicate.
Sometimes learners think, I'll speak English when I'm perfect.
The problem is, no one becomes perfect without speaking first.
Exactly. You learn by using English, not by waiting.
I have a friend who was afraid to speak English.
Really?
Yes, he understood almost everything. He knew grammar, he knew vocabulary, but every time someone spoke to him, he became nervous.
What changed?
One day, he decided something.
What?
He promised himself, I will speak English every day, even if I make mistakes.
That's wonderful.
At first, his English wasn't perfect,
That's normal.
but after a few months, he became much more confident.
Confidence is so important.
Exactly. English isn't only about grammar, it's also about confidence.
I couldn't agree more.
Let me ask you something.
Sure.
If someone listening today feels scared to speak English, what advice would you give them?
I'd say don't compare yourself to other people. Compare yourself to the person you were yesterday. If you learned one new word today, you're improving. If you understood one new sentence today, you're improving. If you spoke one English sentence today, you're improving. Learning English is a journey, not a race.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
And I hope everyone listening remembers that.
Me too.
Because one small step every day can lead to amazing progress.
And that's exactly why we're here. To learn, to improve, and to enjoy the journey together.
Other question.
Of course. You ask a lot of questions today.
That's because I'm curious.
Fair enough. Go ahead.
What do you think is the biggest problem English learners face?
I think it's fear.
Fear?
Yes, fear of making mistakes.
I completely agree.
Many people know English.
But they don't speak it.
Exactly.
Why do you think that happens?
Because they worry too much. What if I say the wrong word? What if people laugh at me? What if my pronunciation isn't perfect?
Those thoughts sound very familiar.
I think almost every English learner has them.
And you know what?
What?
Nobody speaks perfectly at the beginning.
That's absolutely true.
Even babies don't speak perfectly when they learn their first language.
They make mistakes every day.
But nobody tells them to stop speaking.
Exactly.
So why are adults so hard on themselves?
That's a good question.
Maybe because we're afraid of being judged?
Maybe.
But making mistakes means you're learning.
And every mistake teaches you something new. Can I tell you a funny story?
Please do.
One day, my friend wanted to say, I'm very excited.
Sounds easy.
But instead, he said, I'm very exhausted.
Those two words are very different.
Exactly. Everyone looked at him and asked, Are you okay?
What did he do?
He smiled and said, No, I mean, excited.
I've made similar mistakes too.
Really?
Oh, yes. One time I wanted to say, I'm hungry. but I accidentally said, I'm angry.
That's a dangerous mistake. The waiter looked very nervous. I can imagine.
We all make mistakes.
The important thing is, don't stop speaking.
Now, we'd like to ask you something.
What is your biggest challenge in learning English?
Vocabulary?
Grammar?
Listening?
Speaking?
Tell us in the comments.
Remember, every comment is English practice.
Now, let's talk about something practical.
My favorite part.
How can we improve our English every day?
The answer is simple. Practice a little every single day.
Many people think they need 5 hours every day.
That's not true.
Even 15 or 20 minutes can make a big difference.
Consistency is more important than studying for one day and then giving up.
Exactly.
Let me share my daily routine.
I'd love to hear it.
Every morning, I learn 5 new English words.
Only 5?
Yes. 5 words every day become hundreds of words over time.
That's a smart idea.
Then, I listen to an English podcast while walking.
Just like this one?
Exactly like this one.
Great answer.
In the evening, I try to speak English for 10 minutes, even if I'm speaking to myself.
Speaking to yourself is actually a great way to practice.
It really is. Nobody will judge you, nobody will interrupt you, and you become more confident.
Another great habit is reading.
Even one page every day.
Or watching short English videos.
And don't forget listening.
Listening every day helps your brain get used to English.
Exactly.
We have a challenge for everyone listening today.
Are you ready?
For the next 7 days, learn 5 new English words every day.
Speak English for at least 5 minutes.
Watch one English video. Or listen to one English podcast. It doesn't have to be perfect.
It just has to become a habit.
Small steps every single day.
That's how confidence grows.
And that's how fluency begins.
Remember, don't be afraid of mistakes. Be afraid of giving up. Because every successful English speaker started exactly where you are today. And we're so happy to be part of your English journey. Thank you for learning with us. We'll continue together, one conversation at a time.
Before we say goodbye, let's learn a few useful English words together.
Great idea! Learning vocabulary little by little is one of the best ways to improve your English.
The first word is fluent.
A fluent speaker can speak a language easily and naturally.
For example, I'm not fluent in English yet, but I'm improving every day.
Remember, fluency doesn't happen overnight.
It comes with practice and patience.
The next word is confidence.
Confidence means believing in yourself.
Example: speaking English every day helped me build confidence.
Confidence grows every time you practice. Another important word is practice.
Practice means doing something again and again to become better.
There's a famous saying, practice makes progress.
Notice we said progress, not perfect.
Because nobody is perfect.
Let's talk about the word mistake.
Many students are afraid of mistakes.
But mistakes are actually teachers.
Every mistake teaches you something new.
So don't hide from mistakes.
Learn from them. Our last word is improve.
Improve means to become better.
Example: I want to improve my English speaking skills collection.
That's a wonderful goal.
Now it's your turn.
Let's do a quick English speaking challenge together.
Repeat after me. I enjoy learning English. Great. Now say, I practice English every day.
Excellent. One more. I am not afraid of making mistakes.
Fantastic. If you said all 3 sentences, you've already practiced your English today.
Teena, today's conversation reminded me of something important.
What's that?
Learning English isn't about becoming perfect. It's about becoming a little better every day. Exactly.
Some days you'll learn 10 new words.
Some days you'll only learn 1.
And that's perfectly okay.
Progress is still progress.
Never compare yourself with someone who's been learning English for 10 years.
Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday.
If today you're a little more confident, you're already moving forward.
And remember, every expert was once a beginner.
Every fluent speaker once struggled with simple sentences.
Every confident speaker once felt nervous.
So don't give up.
Keep listening.
Keep reading. Keep speaking. Keep making mistakes. And keep learning. We hope you enjoyed today's English podcast.